There's the swim bait right there that I'm throwing. It's a natural color with some gold flakes in there. I've got a 1/4 ounce jig head on that with a longer shank. And yeah, that's what's getting the job done today. There might have been a little bite there. It's so hard to tell sometimes. Here we go. Fish on. Good looking trout there. Whew. It's a fatty. It's probably a nice 17-inch fish. Right on. Later. There we go. Nice. Fighting good, man. This might be a decent one too. Oh yeah, beautiful trout. Ooh. Come on. Struggling with the net here, but that was a nice one. Holy cow. What a stud, man. That's a beautiful, beautiful trout. Its tail's all kinds of messed up, probably just from living around the rocks, getting torn up every now and again. That's a gator. All right, see ya. Yep. Yep. All kinds of trout right here. It's a decent one. It's a really decent one. Okay. Get in the net. Whew. Another beautiful fish, probably 17 or 18 inches. All right, later.